Welcome to the mission. Your mission is a secret, but guys, we have to take a seat take a seat. You'll be fine, okay? Or you'll be eliminated, okay? Bye-bye. Let's get to the point.
Are we able to FaceTime someone?
This is Ronald. He has been bad lately, and we are going to find out how to complete our mission. But what did he do? Oh, that's the right question. He captured every single person on a plane. What? Oh my gosh, everyone on that plane must be captured. That's right. Our mission is to get everyone out safely. We'll find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. Follow me. Going down.
We miss you and we miss our classroom with the energy you bring. Love your teachers.
No, Miss Campbell really needs that time away.
Oh no, 1 minute.
She wouldn't miss us one bit.
I have to move my computer and stick it on the charger.
Miss Campbell wouldn't care about.
Looking good.
Smell my breath.
Are you ready to do Granny at 3 a.m. full voice?
Yeah.
You're looking good. Let's go.
How is that password passed?
Okay, time to end this, because bye. I'm going to skip all the way to the plane crash. Bye. Ronald, open the door. And why are you so small? Let me make him big, okay? I deserve this. Ronald, let the captain go. I deserve this.
No, you don't.
Okay, let the captain go. Listen to what I say. It's over, Ronald. You're going to jail. I mean, what's wrong, Ronald?
Who are you?
Who made you do this? Ever since I was a kid, people made fun of me.
Jacob?
It's okay. I could be your friend. A friend?
Jacob?
No, it's not.
It's never too late to do anything. Okay,
Yeah,
thanks.
that's on the door.
General! The captain's room is on fire! Okay, there's no time. The plane is about to explode. But General, what about you? I'll go save Ronald and the captain. But don't just go. I don't have time. Just go already. It was nice working with you, soldier.
She's had it all
If
day.
she gives it to you now, you'll give it back to her when your mom gets home. That's an hour.
Yeah, but nothing so stupid that you'll never get
Hey.
to TV ever again.
Anna, you shouldn't even have the TV right now because you have your tablet.
Because she has a tablet and hasn't gotten it took away or broken, doesn't mean she still doesn't
Well,
get
she
it.
can't play TV. So,
Oh, yeah, she can.
no, she can't. Mom already said that.
But
Thanks
she
for
can.
saving my
No,
dad.
Mom already said
Shut
that.
up, Megan.
I don't have to